Alrighty, today let's begin one fresh new module, that is pipeline design, and in this lecture we'll be learning about YAML pipelines. Imagine writing a recipe where every step is clearly listed so anyone can cook the same dish. In software, YAML pipelines work the same way by storing build, test, and deployment instructions in a simple text file. Administrators use these pipelines to automate workflows, keep them version controlled, and ensure consistency across environments. This makes delivering applications faster, repeatable, and easier to manage. Let's meet in our next lecture.